So it's Russ Taylor from Velorim Limited. We spun out of a charity that recycles bicycles, and specifically to deal with the issue of rubber waste coming out of the cycle industry, where cyclists in the UK dispose of some 30 million tyres a year, plus 150 million inner tubes that all go to landfill currently. There are ways of using rubber waste for things like tyre-derived fuel, but it doesn't necessarily generate the value out of the materials that constitute the waste product. So what we're looking at is to find alternative markets to actually reprocess the tyre and inner tube materials down to base constituent products that can be reused in manufacturing. And the energy aspect of it is looking at that processing, how much energy involved in reprocessing, but also then the amount of energy that's saved at the manufacturing end by using recovered materials as opposed to starting with virgin materials and having to add in all the additives and other mixing and filler compounds that are already in your tyre. I've come along to the EBRI talk today really to find out about pyrolysis and how it compares economically to the approach we're taking in terms of remanufacturing. So I want to be able to compare the different financial models. I'm hoping that the expert I can talk to on the logistics side particularly can help us put together a collection scheme which is going to be cost effective, and we also want to make sure we have a solid business case for the remanufacturing work that we're looking at, and so having a comparison of pyrolysis as an example to benchmark against will actually be quite good when we actually go for investment.